Hello! It's been a while since I've done one of these videos and I feel like I really need to get the season underway. I feel the need for seed, as the saying goes, or maybe not. Alright, in true top of the pop style, let's have a look at the top 20 seeds that I'm hopefully going to grow up on my plot this year. Starting with the sweet peas, little germ lettuce or little green cos lettuce, sugar snacks, carrots, loofahs. I'm going to have another go at these again. I think I've got 4 seeds left in that packet. Sweet corn, beetroot, dwarf French beans, Hurst green shaft peas, 250 grams. What have we got? Sweet candles, carrots, French banana shallots. I've tried to grow these from seed before and they just don't work for me. I get a lot better results if I buy them ready-made. So there's not many in a packet. How many is in that packet? 10. There we go. So 10 of those. I've got some sweet peas that have been soaking for the last couple of nights. I've got some broad beans that have been soaking. Cauliflower. I was meant to plant these out last year, never got round to it. Going to try some black sunflowers and then try and grow a big one, a Titan. Mesembryanthemums, runner beans, got a packet of rocket first early spuds that need to be chitted, some honeyboat squash, some snips, and finally 2 packets of pumpkins. Let's try and grow another big one. I've got pumpkin Pacific Giant and the pumpkin Atlantic Giant. So let's see which ocean wins. Let's get and plant out these little blighters, the sweet peas. They've been soaking in this little jacuzzi for about 6 days, swelling up, loving life. And they, my friends, have a date with destiny in these 2 pots. But before we go ahead and do that, this is for any new subscribers. If you are new, then welcome. Don't expect too much from this channel. Lower your expectations and we'll get on just fine with some bang average content. Let me give you a quick rundown of the varieties that are in that little glass jar there. The amethyst and orchids, twilight, melody mix, and finally Allen Titchmarsh. Bit of titters there. I'll empty the water and we'll get and plant them. As you can see, I've emptied the sweet peas. Half into this pot, half into that one. And now I employ a very technical method when it comes to planting them. Here we go. Look at that. Couldn't be easier. Poke these bad boys into the compost. Cover them over a bit. Rinse and repeat with that pot, and then we'll water them. And there we go. If you don't believe this method works, then I'll put a link to a video that I did, I think last year or the year before, on how to grow sweet peas from start to finish, and you'll see that I employ this exact technique and get great results. So I'll put that in the top right hand corner now, so do check out that video after this one. Water them in. And it's living la vida loca. I've made a balls up this year, people. Normally in these green cells here I'd be planting my stirring onion sets, but I forgot to buy some this year, so I'm gonna have to get my game face on real quick and get a bag of those. So instead I'm gonna plant my broad bean seeds in these cells. But honestly, I think I'm in trouble with a lot of these. As you can see, they've been soaking for a night or two in that jar, and normally they swell up a lot better than this. These guys still look wrinkly and old, like me. So I think that these guys are not really... I don't think we're going to do it this year. I think we're going to be firing blanks with these guys. Anyhow, I'll get them planted up and we'll see what happens over the next 2 weeks. We'll see how many are actually viable and make it. Alright, well, let's get them planted anyhow. Let's throw caution to the wind and have another go at growing a Luffa plant. I've got 4 seeds left over from last year, as you can see. I had terrible results at the attempt last year, so why not give them a go again this year? Let's plant 2 to a pot. There we go. Cross your fingers, toes, and any other bits of your body and pray that these germinate and give me better results. Put them both in this little propagating tray to stop that from happening. Looks like they peed themselves. Put a lid on. There we go. Hopefully I'll keep those bad boys nice and warm. If not, I'll get the electric propagator tray thing that I've got and I'll put them in there. Something nice and easy now. Potato chitting. I'm not going to tell you how to do it. I've done enough videos on these before, so do go and check out a previous content or any other better YouTuber out there. They can tell you what you need to do when it comes to chitting these bad boys. Like I said, the variety I'm using is Rocket. First early. I don't bother with mains. And there you go, that's the spuds on their way. You know, I was considering planting the pumpkins today, getting them started, but I think I'll just hold back a week or 2. I don't want to go too early with these guys, just in case we get a late frost in the season and it absolutely obliterates these guys. So, yeah, I think I'll wait a while when it comes to these. In fact, I think we'll call that quits on this particular video. Let's have a quick recap. We've got the spuds chitting away. We've got the onion sets in the form of broad beans. growing away, hopefully. 2 pots of sweet peas, 2 pots of Luffa seeds, 3 blanks, and another blank. Just got to figure out what I can get going in the next week or 2. Alright, thanks for watching. If you have, remember to hit that like button, share the video if you want to share it, subscribe to the channel, that would really help. But most importantly, please do comment down below, give me some abuse, and until the next video, bye for now.